Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Thomas. I am an automation advisor. Today, I will show you how to monitor and kill a process by name automatically on Windows. I will be using Fabate Automation Workshop for this task. Automation Workshop is a no-code app that lets you automate many Windows computer tasks, eliminating the need for manual work. Let's start with the creation of an automated task. Workflows or tasks are created using the Task Creation Wizard, a tool that guides you through all the necessary steps. The whole process is quick and easy, and it doesn't require any programming knowledge. I want our workflow to run automatically as soon as an unwanted app has started. Workflows that run automatically require a trigger. Let's add one. Automation Workshop offers a lot of different triggers. You can schedule tasks, monitor local and remote servers, including cloud storage. However, for our task, we need a process and app monitor. It is used to trigger workflows when a specific program is either running or not running. There are multiple ways you can select a program. First, you can choose an app from the Applications category. These are computer programs that are currently running and visible on your desktop. Second, there are background processes. These are programs that usually don't have a user interface and run in the background. The third option allows you to browse for an executable file or just type a program name with or without a path to it. I have a program running that I want to terminate regularly or as soon as it starts. It is called Not Needed. We need to terminate the app when it is running. So let's change the triggering condition to is running. Our trigger is ready. It will start our task when it detects that our specified app is running. Actions serve as the basic building blocks and are responsible for carrying out tasks, such as starting or stopping apps and background processes. We need an action to kill our unneeded app. Automation Workshop offers over 100 different actions for tasks like automated printing, email sending, and more. Let's expand the Apps and Processes category. Terminate app is the action we are looking for. Similar to the trigger, you can select any running app from the list. This is the simplest method. The dynamic method allows you to use variables, or you can simply type in the name of the app. This would work if I keep it this way. However, for this demonstration, I want you to show how to use a process identifier, so I will clear this. The process identifier is a unique number associated with each running program on Windows. This number is also shown in Task Manager. Obviously, I can't predict the ID that will be assigned to our unwanted app when it starts, so I am using the Variable Wizard button. Variable Wizard allows us to use dynamic values from triggers, actions, and so on. In our case, it is already suggesting that we use a process ID from the trigger that we added in the previous step. Let's accept that. The terminate app action will kill the exact process that our trigger has detected as running. We have created a very simple workflow that consists of one trigger and one action. Adjust additional task settings as necessary. And for the final step, give this task a recognizable name. I will call it Terminate Unwanted App. When I click Finish, the process and app monitor trigger will activate, and as I have our unwanted app already running, it should be terminated instantly. Let's try. See, my specified not needed process was terminated. I could close the automation workshop now, since it runs in the background, but I'll keep it open to monitor the log pane. I'll launch the unwanted app again to see if our newly created workflow detects and terminates it. Our automated task terminated the app as soon as it was launched. Let's try one more time. It works. Use Automation Workshop to easily do more on your computer and save time. As an example, you can enhance this workflow by adding an action that plays an alarm sound every time the app is terminated. Alternatively, you can have it display a message window with your preferred text. If you have not yet downloaded Automation Workshop, please do so via one of the links below in the description. No registration is required, and it takes only a minute to try Automation Workshop. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching. Till the next time.